Are we on camera now?
Yes.
Okay, Joyce, let's walk. We're walking with Joyce by Crystal Lake. I don't even know if we can see the water today because it's kind of foggy. Are we walking, Joyce? Yeah, Joyce. Good job. Good job, Joyce. Good job. We're walking. Walk. Walk. Oh, careful. Careful. Good job, Joycey. Good job, Joyce. How do you like your shoes, Joyce? That's a big hill. Come on over the hill. Good job. Good job. Yay, Joyce. Yay, Joyce. Good job. Oh, don't play with the stick right now, honey. There you go. Good job. Good job. Yay, Joyce. Yay, Joyce. Good job. Up over the hill. Up over the hill. Come on. Oh, you want to play with the acorn. Okay. Here we go. Let's go towards Mama. Here we go towards Mama. Up the hill. Good job. Good job, Joyce. Good job. Good job, Joyce. Yes, you're a walker, aren't you? You must be a barber. You're a good walker, aren't you? Okay, can you walk towards Mama? Walk towards Mama. Look at Mama. Where's Mama? Good job. Okay, Joyce. Good job. You did it. Oh, you want to walk some more? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, you can walk some more. There we go. You ready to walk some more? Good job. Good job, Joyce. Keep walking. Keep walking. Good job.